Welcome to our Google Colab tutorial on using generative AI to write Python code and to identify errors using AI and use the suggested code to replace our Python code with errors and to connect to the other Google services such as Google Drive and import data from Google Sheets into Google Colab data frames and then analyze that data and generate visualizations and even create PDF files and download them to our computer. So let's start our today's video. Google Colab is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment which you can use to write and execute Python code. All you need is a web browser and a Google account to use Google Colab. It is well integrated with the Google environment, which includes Google Drive and your Gmail account and many other Google applications. It can even use the power of your GPU to perform its machine learning models. Most of the latest graphic cards have specialized cores for machine learning. However, the feature we are going to discuss today is the auto generate code, which uses the Google AI, Google Generative AI, to generate the Python code in your Google Colab notebook. So let's create a new Google Colab notebook and see how this feature works. So all you need to do is to click on this generate button and then write whatever you want here in this text box and press on the enter button, and then the Google Generative AI will generate the desired Python code in the code section below. So for example, as already discussed, the Google Colab is connected to the other Google applications such as Google Drive. So for example, you have a Google Sheet and its name is XY data, and there are two columns. One is the X and the other is Y. Both have the random values, and you want to import this data into your Colab notebook using Python. There are two ways of doing this. One is to use the file name and the other is to use the ID, and the choice is up to you. So if you want to use the ID, you can copy the ID from here and go back to the Google Colab. And here you can enter whatever you want. So let's ask it to connect to our Google Drive. So it has generated a code through which the Google Colab will connect to our drive. Let's run this code. It will ask for our permission. Let's grant the permission. Let's give it complete permission and click on the continue button. So it has successfully connected to our Google Drive and the drive is now successfully mounted. Now let's ask it to generate a code to load data from XY data into a data frame. So let's click on the insert code cell button and then click on the generate button. And here we will ask it to load data from sheet 1 uh, file name xy data into a data frame. So let's click on the enter button and it has generated a code. Let's go ahead and run this code. So this is our data frame. And now using this data frame, we can generate more codes using AI to analyze this data and to draw various charts or visualizations. So let's say we want to find out the correlation between X and Y. So let's add another code section and ask AI to find the correlation between X and Y. And let's generate this code and then run this code. And the correlation between X and Y is 0.67. Going further, let's add another code section and ask AI to draw X and Y on a scatter chart with a trend line. Let's generate this code and then run this code. And as you can see, now we have a scatter chart with a trend line and a function to predict the movement of data. Now let's go ahead and have some more fun with the AI and let's generate a code to create a PDF file with data frame and the scatter chart and download the file. Now let's see what happens when we run this code. So there is some kind of error. So what happens if there is an error in our code? Don't worry. You can again use AI in this scenario. Just click on the explain error button and this will first identify the error and then it will suggest a code which you can use to replace your original code. So let's replace this code with the suggested code and run it again. Now the file has been downloaded. Let's open this file and as you can see, this PDF file has now our dataset and the scatter chart just as we wanted. So by now you must have realized how easy it is to write Python code using built-in generative AI in Google Colab. I hope this helps you a lot in your coding and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.